1 million per hour new devices getting connected. You can imagine how much data that is. That's billions of connections for customers, and how much data, obviously how many servers you're going to need to manage that data. But it's happening really, really fast. Another just fun fact, S&P 500, the average company has been around for 12 years today. And back in 1960, anybody guess what that is? It was actually 60 years. And so you can see how quickly things are working. And by 2027, 75% of the S&P 500, the names are going to have changed. So that's how quickly our businesses and our companies are moving. At the end of it, you can see this is what we're talking about today in terms of hybrid cloud. 81% of businesses are operating in that. And that's a fact. By 2021, it's actually happening today. We went and respun this, and you can see about 80% of the people are actually using hybrid cloud today. And if you look at what Microsoft's been doing, you saw some of this, if you saw Satya or Jason Sanders, some of the keynotes this morning, kind of our journey in terms of what we've been on. And obviously start off with the cloud, say about 10 years ago. IoT, we've really been focused on this for the last 5 years. We've all had mobile devices, and we've been doing IoT for a long time in terms of that thing and connecting that to the cloud. So it's not necessarily new, but the focus is new, and this is a big focus for Microsoft. And you're hearing a lot about Edge in terms of what we're doing from a software as well as a hardware perspective. So the Edge is becoming very, very important. This is a lot of our relationship and the work that we do, especially in the IoT space with HPE, because they're Edgeline server line. AI, you're hearing a lot about that, and that's starting to come more and more mainstream. And of course, digital twins, where we're basically building a model of that physical asset in the cloud, and so we can monitor that, manipulate that, and predict things based upon that. But that's a lot of our journey, what we're on. And you can see we're kind of in the middle of that in terms of moving forward, but you can see there's a lot more to do in terms of our the innovations that we're developing.